When you're traveling down the road on a road trip, the axles are the heart of strength, balance, and ride performance. Hey everyone, I'm Brittany from RecPro, and the axles on your trailers are one of the most important pieces that allow you to travel. Trailer axles come in a variety of sizes and configurations, from light-duty 3,500-pound models to heavy-duty 7,000-pound workhorses. Trailer axles hold electric brakes that help stop your rigs, as when you pull something heavy, it takes more time to slow down and come to a complete stop. Our axles feature double I leaf springs, offering a stable ride over a wide range of road conditions. These leaf springs typically include multiple leaves for added strength and durability, allowing your trailer to handle bumps and loads with confidence. Trailer axles also come equipped with industry standard hubs, commonly with a 5-lug pattern for our models that support 3,500 pounds, and an 8-lug pattern for our models that support up to 7,000 pounds. Quality axles are critical for safe travels. The right axle ensures that you're ready for the road ahead. If you want to learn more about this product, you can hit the link below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, go ahead and like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.